Hi dear friends. So, if we achieve the goal, each of you, my bakers, will have as minimum a copy of one of my paintings printed in limited edition until the whole collection of my paintings, in different sizes and materials and personalized with your portrait or the person you wish, making it unique and original, depending on the amount of your sponsoring as it's explained in the pledges. I'm Colombian, and due to my Latin culture, most of my paintings are focused on Latin singers, as you can see. But of course, that it is still missing many other artists and kind of music to include in my paintings from other countries and cultures. I am already working on it, planning my future painting. But the best part of this project is that if we achieve the goal, a part of the pledges, each of you, my bakers, will have a copy of a new, inedited, limited edition painting, and only for you, my Kid Starters bakers, which I have already the idea in my mind, in which I will include 10 of the most popular artists or singers of the music in English that you like the most, because you are going to choose what artist you want to appear on the paintings. Each of my bakers will send me an email with their favorite artists, and at the end of the project, when we have achieved the goal already, I will choose the top 10 most rated that will appear on this painting. That, repeat, is a new limited edition only for those who support this project. Best regard. I hope I could achieve the goal and enter into your home with one or more of my paintings. Thanks, friends.